Okay, let's start with next problem statement based on if-else, nested if-else statement. So next problem statement is write a program to print types of triangles taking length of three sides from user using nested if-else statement. Clear? So we want to find types of triangles. There are three types of triangles. First is equilateral triangle, means three sides of the triangles are equal. Then isosceles triangle means two sides, any two sides of the triangles are equal, then that type of triangle is called as isosceles. And third type is simple triangle. So what is the message on the console, or what is the output on the console? First write the output screen, how output looks like. So first is enter sides of three sides of a triangle. So message is enter three sides of a triangle. Next, cursor is blinked for 3 times for taking values from user. So user enters 3 values of triangle, that is sides of that triangle particular. So suppose user enters 2, 3 and suppose 1, 1 and 2. So if user enters 1, 1, 2. So first check whether we can form the triangle from the given lengths of the sides. So side is 1, 1, 2 means we cannot find or we cannot draw triangle from that value, because if 1 is 1 in it, okay, then suppose this is 1 in it, or that means this is total length of 2, which is one side, okay, that is total length of this side is 2. Next 1 and 1 means we can place 1 here, third side here, so this is not form the triangle. That means from if user enters any number, then we cannot form the triangle. What is the condition for that? Check that whether sides, any two sides, check whether addition of two sides always greater than third side. That means if 1 and 2 addition is 3 greater than third side, yes, it works. But addition of 1, 1, that is 2 is not greater than 2. It's wrong. Understood? So we cannot form triangle from these 1, 1 and 2. So first condition is check we can form the triangle from the given sides. So what is the condition? The condition is if this is A side, this is B side and this is C side. So check addition of A and B is greater than C, and addition of B and C is greater than A, and third addition of A and C is greater than B. If these three conditions are true, then and then only we can form the triangle from these sides. So this is the first condition, okay, and if this condition is valid, then and then only we can form the triangles from these sides. Understood? So we require this first condition. Check first condition, and if first condition is true, then we can check the triangle is isosceles or equilateral or simple triangle. So this is the condition. So first take printed enter three sides of a triangle. This is the message on the console, /n double quotes complete. After that scan it, take the three sides from user, %d, %d, %d. Take the sides into variable a, comma address of b, comma address of c. Declare these three variables integer a, b and c. Next thing is CLR, SCR, that is clear console. Okay, that's okay. Now, what is the first condition to check? If a plus b is greater than c. Not only that, and a plus c is greater than b, and a b plus c is greater than A. These three conditions are true, then and then only we can form the triangles from these three sides A, B, C. So this is the first condition. If this condition is true, then only we can check whether it is isosceles, it is equilateral, or it is simple triangle. So first, what is the first condition? Inside this if, we first check whether three sides are equal. If three sides are equal, then we can say that it is equilateral. So check. How to check? Again write if. Inside if. So it is called as nested if else. So if A is equal to B and A is equal to C. Here write equal to operator, and equal to operator is a comparison operator which checks whether a value of A and B are equal, and if value is equal it returns 1, otherwise it returns 0. So if both A and B are equal and A and C is also equal, no necessary to write B is equal to C, not necessary. Clear? And B is equal to C, no necessary, not necessary here. Only check whether A is equal to B and A is equal to C. Clear? If this condition is true, then what is the output on the screen? Printf equilateral triangle slash double quotes. Else if it is not equilateral, that means the triangle is isosceles or simple triangle. So check else part. Again check if. If A is equal to B, or A is equal to C, or B is equal to C. That means here or operator is there, not and. Any condition, if A is equal to B, only A and B are equal, then equilateral. Only A and C are equal, then also it is equilateral. So we can connect these three conditions using OR operator, logical OR operator. If these three conditions are true, any one condition is true, then if A is equal to B, that means it returns 1 and other two are 0, 0, that means false. Then also the value of total condition is true, 1. At that time, what is the message? Printf isosceles triangle slash n double quotes complete semicolon curly bracket complete. Next part. After completion of this if, next part is else. Else means third if else. This is first if else, this is first if, second if, then third if. Third part of if else is complete here. If this condition is also false, that means remaining option is simple triangle. So printf simple triangle double quotes complete semicolon. Now complete curly bracket of this else, then complete curly bracket of this else, this if. Okay, check बघा, चेक करण्यासाठी if else complete झाला पहिल्याचा inner third most, then if आणि else complete झाला, हा else complete झाला, तर दोन लाईन्स मारतो इथं दोन. ओके, सेकंडचा else complete झाला. नाउ if complete झाला, इथं काय झालं तुमचा if complete 3 दाखव कर्ली ब्रॅकेट if चा. नाउ else part of this outer if, so complete else of this outer if. Now what is the message here? Printf if this condition is false, first condition is false, means triangle is not formed. Okay, so give the message triangle is not formed slash n double quotes complete, give semicolon, and last statement is get ch and complete your main function. Okay, so this is all about code part. So first condition is first check whether we can form the triangle or not. If we can form the triangle, then check first time, that is equilateral triangle or not. If it is not equilateral triangle, then check isosceles or not. If it is not isosceles, obviously it is simple triangle. Okay, and if first condition is violated, that means false, then automatically cursor goes to the else part, that is triangle is not formed, and get CH and complete your code. Understood what is the working? So today we will stop here.